So this afternoon when I was trying to dry clothes, it quit working. So I need to find out what is wrong with it. I need to see if either the idle pulley isn't working or if the belt has broken. And there's a couple different tools I need. I need a short Phillips, a regular Phillips, and a flathead screwdriver. The first thing you want to do is unplug your dryer. And the dryer I have is a Samsung motion sensor HE. So the first thing I need to do is pry up the top of the dryer. So I put my flathead screwdriver in there and I'll pop both pieces up. So the belt isn't broken, so it looks like it's probably come off the pulleys. So now we need to take the front off. Okay, so in order to get to the pulley and the drum, we need to take out 4 screws at the bottom here. So I raise the bottom of the dryer up. So you want to take the lint trap out, and then there are 3 screws here that also need to come out. There is 3 screws at the top here that also need to come out, and then you should be able to lift the front part of the dryer out. Before I lift off the front of the dryer, I do need to disconnect wiring harness that I need to disconnect. Okay, so when I looked underneath here, I saw that the pulley idler has become disconnected. So the next thing I need to do is take my drum out. The first thing I want to do is I want to disconnect my drying sensor, and then I need to take out these 4 screws. So it seems that I need to do 2 other screws, and there's one over on the left-hand side and one on the right-hand side of the lint trap. And then down on the bottom there is also another screw that needs to come out. And here is our idler. Okay, so when the dryer was making noise, we had a technician come out and look at it, and then it quit for a while, and then it started again. And so we took the dryer apart, as you saw previously. And when we took the dryer apart, this is what we saw. The pulley idler had came apart, so we had to order a new piece. So here is the new pulley idler. So I'm going to put this on, and you want to put it so that the ridge is towards the back of the dryer. So you put the pulley idler on. Then there is a little black ring that you put on next to it. And the last thing is there is a triangle clamp that needs to snap in. And there's a snap ring is on now. So the next thing that needs to be done is the drum needs to be put on. Okay, once I put the drum on, you can't see how to hook up the belt on the motor, so I'm going to show how to do it before I put the drum in. So you want the belt around the motor, the top part of the belt to go underneath the idler, and then it will just go around the drum. So as there's more tension or less tension that's needed, it pulls up and down. So that is what it's going to look like. Now that the pulley idler is on, I'm going to put the drum back in the dryer. So you hang onto the belt and slide the drum back in. Now I need to attach the belt to the motor. Okay, there is a lip on the front of the drum piece here, so I need to put the lint exhaust in first. And all I'm doing is attaching 1 screw, and I'm not tightening it up, I'm just leaving it loose for now. Okay, now that the vent is attached, I want to put the front piece on, and it goes inside the drum. The two parts together with the lint trap vent. Okay, and then you want to put the screws back in. Then you want to connect the sensor back up. And you want to put the two screws in for the lint vent right on this side. Now I think I can put the front of the dryer on. Okay, so we have another sensor here that you want to hook up. The last thing I need to do is put these screws back in, which I can't see anything. And let's put the lint vent in and snap the top back down.